So let's look at this question here, which is on binomial distribution. Let's say I can do this proficiently. So this question is taken from the H1 paper 2007, question 9, A-level mathematics. Okay, so a random variable x has a binomial distribution with n is 6 and probability of success p. Given that x is less than 4 is 25%, find p. Okay, great. So I think what we could do is just use calculator. That would be quite right. Okay, this is binomial. This is n, which is 6, and success is p. So we're told that actually px less than 4 is 0.25, so we can just find p 0.25. I can just key in calculator as px less than or equals to 3 here. This will be 0.25, after which what you're going to do is actually just key in calculator for this part, which is actually just because what we need now is just having it to be 0.25, right? But what I will suggest is we key in this as px less than or equals to 3 minus 0.25. This is easier because what I need to do is just key this in and find the x-intercept. Okay, so here, in this case here, what I do is second distribution, binomial. Is it PDF or CDF? CDF. And the trials is 6, and the success rate is what we need to find, which is x, and after which you put 3 here. Okay, 3, and enter it, and this is minus 0.25. Then what we're going to do is actually just go to graph. Okay, likely what you get is this. So what I'll suggest is x min put 0, x max put 1. Because x is your p, you are actually finding the 0 to 1, the probability. So probability is 0 to 1, but y min y max you could just put -1 and -2 as well. So this is how you find it. So once you're done with that, just going to calculate the 0 there, enter, and just press enter as well. Okay, so this case here, enter it, and you get 0.703. So from calculator, you could actually see that this is 0. So I'm going to put this in the working, okay, so that you can refer. So this part here from GC, p equals to 0.703. Okay, that's how you do this question here proficiently. Yeah, then let's look at the next one. So for part 2, given that px equals to 3 is this value here, show that p satisfies this equation where k is a constant to be determined. Given further that p is less than -5, find p. Okay, so now I think part 2 is of different case from part 1, which means that you are looking at px equals to 3 is 0.08192. So px equals to 38192. Okay, yeah, so show that it satisfies this equation here. So meaning to say you need to use the formula for MF26. This is PDF, so essentially you are looking at 6 choose 3. This formula here, using the formula from MF26 would be this one here. So we scroll to this page here, formula of MF26. This is the PDF formula that we are using. So just know that you can do that. Okay, we've done that quite extensively in class actually. So this part here, what we're going to do is actually 6, 3, and we have got p, which is p to the power of 3, and 1 minus p to the power of 6 minus 3, which is 3 as well. Because you have 6 trials here, 3 of which succeeded, and obviously 3 will not be succeeded. So here will be 0.08192, after which we're going to put in 6 choose 3. Put that. Here will be 6 choose 3 would be 20. K1 minus p cube equals to 0.08192. This is p 1 minus p cube divided by 20. So what we're going to get is p 1 minus p is actually, okay, key in calculator, should be okay. That will be your answer then. Cubic root of 0.1 then that would be 4 over 25. Okay. Is that it? Is that what you need to do? So yes, so that will be it. But find P once you've done that. So this is obviously a quadratic equation, right? So solve the P. This will be P minus P squared equals to 4 over 25. We are told to find P, so okay. So from calculator, just use calculator to solve a quadratic equation because the marks are not given for solving it. This case here will get 5, 2, and basically this is 1, -1, and this will be 4 over 25. 4/5 from GC. T goes to 4/5 or 1/5. Okay. What you need to do is actually just find P. So P is less than half, so P is 1/5. Okay. Yeah, 1/5. So there you go. That's how you do part 2. So now it's given that P is 1/4 instead. Find Px equals to 4, leaving answer in as a fraction. Px equals to 4. So part 3. If it's x binomial and this will be 6 and 1/4, Px equals to 4, you can just key in calculator. I don't think that's a big value. You can just binomial PDF, because it's just a mark, 6 and 25%. Then this will be 4, was it? 4, enter. Just math. Sorry. Change the fraction, that's it. So 135 over 4, 4096. Okay. There you go. That's how we do this question here. I think it's pretty okay. Let's look at part 4. The mean and standard deviation of x are denoted by mu and sigma. Find the variance. So now I think these two are the same part. Can be quite confusing, but yeah. So this is expectation of x, and this is the variance of x, which is sigma squared, right? So this case here, we're gonna do part 4 here. So expectation of x will just be 6 times 4, or 6 times 1/4. Then variance of x will just be 6 times 1/4, 3/4. Okay? So 6 times 1/4 3/2. Then after which 6 times 1/4 times 3/4, that will be 9/8. Okay, so in other words, mu equals to 3/2. Sigma squared equals to 9/2. So sigma equals to square root 9/8. Okay, so if you want to find Px, standard deviation away from the mean, that means standard deviation. So P mu minus sigma x mu plus sigma. Okay, this case here is pretty okay. P 3/2 minus 9/8 x mu, which is 3/2 plus 9/8, and this case here, what we get is 3/2 minus 9/8, 0.4393. 0.4393, and if you need it to be adding up, 2.560, 2.5606. Okay, so this case here, this is discrete. X is discrete, so you need to change it to discrete here. These are not discrete values, so non-discrete. So what we need to do is actually, if you are not able to write this out straight, but what I will recommend is just draw the number line. 0.4393 is here, and 2.5 is around here. So actually the classes which gets involved is 1 and 2. Okay, so what you actually need is px and 2. That's about it. So this will be px less than 2 minus of px equals to 0. Okay, or px less than equals to 0 is the same. So this is 1 and 2. Just add, yeah, that's about it. We're going to key in, this is 6 and 1/4. So 6 and 1/4. So distribution CDF, 6 and 1/4. X value will be 2. Alright, this is getting 2 there. 2. Then minus of PDF. This is 0. 0.65258. 0.652 3SF. Okay, so that's how I'll do this question here proficiently. Now, if you have any question at all, please let me know and I'll see you in the next question.